What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. The moment I've been waiting for has finally arrived. The new version 6 Arrma Kraton is here. Let's unbox this thing and I'll tell you what I think. So for those of you that have subscribed to my channel for a while, thank you. But you would know that I love 8-scale Kratons, something that I've had a lot of, all the way from version 3 to version 5, 2 versions of the EXB, and now the version 6, which has a ton of improvements. Let me show you. At first I was a little unsure of the looks, however now seeing it in person, I really like it. Flashy, it's got kind of a 80s or 90s vibe. So just a little bit about what's in the box, what it comes with. Kind of your standard stuff. This is the SLT radio, which is not quite as good as the DX3 that comes with the EXB and some others. It comes with a couple actual real tools here. Looks like maybe a 2 and a 2.5 millimeter hex. But let's get into some of the improvements on this. So for starters, the most obvious one is this new body clipless design. It is a pain to always have to do these body pins, and mine are always causing trouble for me, quite frankly. All right, so I'm excited to see how this works. Looks like you push on here and on the front. Okay, pops off. And we'll see how this works in the wild. You know, I've seen some videos where it pops off and I've seen others where it doesn't. When you put it back on, that should be a lot easier. A little cumbersome at first, but I think once you get the hang of it, I'm sure it'll be easier. So check out the thickness of this battery strap. This thing is huge. This is definitely an improvement over the last one. And maybe can help hold it in a little stronger so that doesn't break on hard landings. So it has the same speed control and motor, the 2050 kV motor and the 150 amp Spektrum speed control. However, there's a new firmware update on the speed control which makes it faster. There's a claimed 65 plus miles an hour, and that's supposed to be with this 16 tooth pinion that it comes with. And if it is an improvement, I'm going to go ahead and use this ESC programmer to change out some of my other Spektrum ESCs and get the advantage on those too. So it's an advantage getting this truck, but it's not necessary to buy this truck to get that update. So the truck's got some nice EXB upgrades all around, which it didn't have before. Typically you'd have to buy the EXB version of this, which is more expensive, in order to get those. And the BLX, this standard version, came with the like kind of lower quality stuff. So some of those upgrades include these EXB shocks and shock caps, an improved chassis brace system here where it pivots in the middle, as well as no longer having a roll cage like this. This roll cage was nice to protect the body, but it was kind of a pain to get out of the way every time you wanted to work in the center diff. Now the body comes with the roll cage inserted inside the body, so that's kind of nice. It's still got the protection, but you don't have to mess with it when you're wanting to work on the truck. I wonder too if these clipless body systems help with the durability of the truck. This is typically a pretty hard bashed area. It looks like this may be a shock cap protector section. This is a typical part of the truck that gets really beat down when you haven't yet taped the body. But this is an improvement by Arrma. This is a lot of tough plastic here that might actually help with the durability. It's also got the EXB bumper here with the skid plate attached. This is a tough bumper. Another improvement, speaking of skid plates, is this. This is a nice stainless steel rear skid plate and sort of built-in bumper. That's new. That's new. That doesn't even come on the EXB, so that's a really nice improvement. And the EXB chassis here, this is nice. We definitely want this on the car. because it's got a stronger aluminum, 775 aluminum. The last version of this truck, the version 5 and below, they came with the thinner aluminum chassis, which is easier to bend. So this is a nice improvement, definitely a value. Rear wing bumper, it used to be a common problem where these would break off on hard landings, but now with the 4 screw holes, it gives it a lot more sturdy base. So nice job, Arrma, giving the EXB touches to this lower priced version. So you're getting more bang for your buck here, guys. Another improvement is this mud guard section. On all previous Arrma Kratons, this section needed to be unbolted in 2 pieces, like so. You'd have these 2 screws here and you would take them out. This is all integrated into the side of the truck. These are actually taller too, so that's kind of nice. It's got more of a tub, almost like the 5th scale trucks. The servo is another improvement. It's got the S665 servo here, which is the stronger Spektrum servo than before. This comes on the EXB as well. I really like it. It's for you know, Spektrum aren't known for their servos, but this one I find works well. The servo saver is also an improvement for stronger steering. For the center diff, it's got a limited slip diff now, which comes standard with it. Used to just come in the EXB like that, so that's an improvement. And lastly, you can see here, new hubs. So this is a different design than before, as you can see for the 4 screw holes there. We'll see how it works. It's supposed to be stronger and sturdier, so that would be nice. I'd like to not break this in the cold weather. Yeah, this thing's a beast. That is the worst sound in the world. Good thing for those roof skids that they put on it. Those help save the body. Let's see if I can jump it a little just to see if this body pops off. Oops, a little hard on the brake. Nice. Oh, Jesus. The brake is definitely high. I don't think you can adjust the brake on this, unfortunately. Oh. Whoa. It's taking a beating. Just keep in mind it's 27 degrees, so nothing's broken yet. That's a good sign. Yeah, V6, baby. It's good. I love it.